Okay, let's do the seventh sum. अगेन देखो यहाँ पे क्या दिया है, अ प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट्स टू, यानी कि प्रिंसिपल इनिशियली कितना है वो अपने को पता नहीं है, बट प्रिंसिपल का जो अमाउंट बनता है ए वो उन्होंने दिया है. अ प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट्स टू 13924 13,924 रुपीज इन 2 years. सो यहाँ पे n इज मेंशन एज 2 years. ठीक है. एंड बाय कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट ऑफ 18 PCPA. सो 18 PCPA मतलब अपने को R दिया है 18 PCPA. देन फाइंड द प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट. ओके, अपने को प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट अपने को फाइंड आउट करना है. ठीक है. तो ये जो प्रीवियस वाला सम किया था हम लोग ने, उसके जैसे हम लोग कर सकते हैं ये सम. सो A इज इक्वल्स टू P इंटू 1 प्लस R अपॉन 100 raised to n. A is already known to us, that is 13924. P is not known. We'll keep it as it is, or you can assume the x also at the place of P, or you can keep it as it is. R is your 18 upon 100 and your n is 2 years. Now let's try to simplify this fraction. We can take the 2 in our mind. 2 9s are and here 2 50s are. Now the further simplification is not possible, so let's see what we can do. Is we can 9 upon 50 the whole square, and now we will simply assume 1 over here. We will do the cross multiplication. As you all know, 13924 principal, then 50 ones are 50, 50 ones are 50, 50 ones are 50, 1 9s are 9, 13924, and this will become 59 upon 50. Okay, now since there is a square, so we can do the square over there. The answer that we will get 59 upon 50 into 59 upon 50. Okay, and now we will, to find the value of P, we will send the all terms on other side. So that is 13924. So here 50 upon 59, upon 59. Okay, so we can do this division of 59 and 13924. The answer that we will get as 236. So to do this such type of divisions, we can use our trick to generate the table. Okay, trick to generate the table. Okay, now there is a 236. Let's see, can we again divide this 236 or not? Okay, so here 59 4s are 236. Okay, so the calculation part is quite lengthy, quite बहुत cautiously करना पड़ेगा. And now the further part is quite simple. ये जो division है, ये division और ये division, वो बहुत important है. वो ठीक से एक बार हो गया तो आगे कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है फिर. तो this 50 into 50 you can write 2500, and now this 25 into 4, that is 100, and these 2 zeros, that means 10,000 is the initial principal amount that was taken as a loan. Look carefully. Chalo, moving to 8th sum. Like I told you, the 8th sum is again related to the practical world example. The population of suburb is 16,000. मतलब initially उस suburb में 16,000 लोग रहते थे, तो 16,000 will be my principal amount. Find the rate of increase. तो R अपने को find out करना है, rate of increase. If the population after 2 years, n दिया है 2 years, एंड विद द पॉपुलेशन आफ्टर 2 years, यानी कि 2 साल के बाद, मतलब वो ए दिया है, ए मतलब फाइनल अमाउंट, ठीक है। आफ्टर 2 years इट इज 17,640, ठीक है। आफ्टर 2 years this is the population. Okay, so let's solve this sum for the value of r. So this is a little different sum than the other sums. Let's put the values. R we don't know, so we'll keep it as it is, and we know as 2. 16,000. Now you see here the r is unknown, right? So still we will do the cross multiplication and let's see what answer we are getting. 100 ones are 100, 100 ones are 100, and here r ones are r. So this is something what we will get. Now there is no further scope for any cancellation, so we will send this 16,000, which is in the form of multiplication, on the other side. So that will go in the form of division. So this will become, okay, and here it is 100 plus r upon 100 raised to 2. Okay, so let's see what else we can do here. We can cancel this 1 0 1764, and in denominator there is 1600. तो यहाँ पे अपन ये दोनों का स्क्वायर करेंगे, 100 प्लस आर द होल स्क्वायर, और नीचे 100 का स्क्वायर कितना आएगा बोलो? 100 का स्क्वायर आएगा, हम लोग सिंपली वी विल राइट इट 100 and 100, ठीक है, 2 बार लिख देते, ठीक है, वो सिंपल रहेगा. Instead of doing square we will write it 2 times. Now send this denominator part in the numerator on the other side. So there we'll get 1764 100 100 और नीचे यहाँ पे 1600. So ये 2 zeros will get cancelled. Now very important step, next step is very important. We are having 1764 into 100 upon 16. So as you can find, the unknown value r is trapped inside the square bracket. Okay, so to remove this square we have to do the square root on both side, So try to find, guys, this 1764 is square of someone, it is the square of someone. Okay, so we can find this thing by using factorization method. So let me quickly show you the factorization method over here. 1764. So as you must know, we will be showing only the quotient part. 2 8s are 16, 17 minus 16 is 1, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4, then again 2 4s are 1s are, and now this 441, if you will see, this is the square of 21. So I will write 21 21s are, and I will write 21 1s are. Okay, so यहाँ पे मैं एक स्टेप पहले कर देता हूँ, square root on both side, taking square root on both side. So we'll get 1764 into 100 upon 16, and here 100 plus r the whole square. तो ये स्क्वायर और स्क्वायर रूट तो क्या हो जाएगा, कैंसिल हो जाएगा, तो इधर आएगा 100 प्लस r. अब ये तीनों को अप्लाई हो जाएगा, ठीक है, तो ये इसको भी ऐसे अप्लाई हो जाएगा, 1764 को इसको भी अप्लाई हो जाएगा, और डिनोमिनेटर में इसको भी अप्लाई हो जाएगा, ठीक है. तो इसको सॉल्व कैसे करना है, देखिए, इसका तो आंसर सबको नॉर्मली पता है, इसका आंसर रहेगा 10 और इसका आंसर रहेगा 4. 1764 को हम लोगों ने फैक्टराइज कर दिया है और ये आंसर अपने को मिला है। तो हाउ आई विल फर्दर सॉल्व 1764 फैक्टर्स लिख दो 2 इंटू 2 21 इंटू 21। सो दो सेम नंबर्स का एक ग्रुप बनाना है, दो सेम नंबर्स का एक ग्रुप बनाना है। एंड टू गेट द आंसर रिमूव वन नंबर फ्रॉम ईच ग्रुप, रिमूव ओनली वन नंबर फ्रॉम ईच ग्रुप। सो 21 2 का आंसर कितना आएगा 42। ओके, so here the answer will come as 42. Alright, and you can solve this further. This will become 420 upon 4. Then you can divide this stuff 4, यहाँ पे दिखाता हूँ मैं, 4 1 जा 4 और 4 0 जा then 4 5 जा, so 105. Okay, and to find the value of r we'll send the 100 on that side, so I will get 105 minus 100 is equals to r. So r is equals to 5% or 5 PCPA. 105 minus 100, answer is 5. So quite long sum it was, but see the steps, see the all steps very carefully, very carefully. Now we are on the second last sum, that is the ninth sum. In how many years, now this time the n is unknown, in how many years 700, ठीक है, will amount to 847, will amount to 847, means probably this is your P and this is your A, यानी कि 700 का 847 बन जाएगा कितने साल में? तो P is there, A is there, and the rate of interest or the rate of increase is given as 10 PCPA. It is given as 10 PCPA. ठीक है, so let's solve. A अपने को पता है, come on, let's use the value of A. A is 847, P is 700, 1 plus R is 10, and the N we don't know, but we can cancel this 0 which is internally present. Okay, we can cancel this 0, and there is a multiplication, so we can send the 700 on that side. So we will get 847 upon 700 is equals to 1 plus 1 upon 10 raised to n. Now we can do the cross multiplication also over here. Nothing, यहाँ पे क्या आएगा आंसर? 10 1 जा 10, 10 1 जा 10, 1 1 जा 1. So यहाँ पे क्या आएगा आंसर? 847 upon 700, and here it is 11 upon 10 raised to n. 11 upon 10 raised to n. Now we will check whether these numbers can be simplified or not. Okay, so I will try this by 7. I will get 100 over here, and if I will try to divide the 847 by 7, what I will get? Surprisingly, 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 7 1s are. So this is what 1 to 1 upon 100 we are having. But another thing to notice is 1 to 1 is square of someone, 100 is also square of someone. So 1 to 1 is the square of 11 and 100 is the square of 10. Okay, and we can also write these individual powers as a power of bracket. So 11 upon 10, उसको मैंने ब्रैकेट में डाल दिया, 11 upon 10 को ब्रैकेट रेज टू स्क्वायर. सो यहाँ पे अपने को जो बेसिस है, सॉरी यहाँ पे आएगा n. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे जो अपने बेसिस है, इनको बेसिस को कैंसिल करना नहीं है, बट यहाँ पे अपन एक स्टेटमेंट लिखेंगे. क्या स्टेटमेंट लिखेंगे? बाय इक्वेटिंग powers of equal basis. By equating powers of equal basis, ठीक है. तो दोनों का बेस सेम है, दैट्स वाई एन का आंसर कितना रहेगा 2 years. ओके so let's go for the last sum of this particular exercise, that is the 10th sum. Okay, now guys, in 10th sum they are asking us to find the difference between the SI and the CI on the 20,000, मतलब प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट उन्होंने दिया है 20,000, ठीक है. अच्छा, रेट भी दिया है उन्होंने, रेट इज 8 PCP है, बट यहाँ पे इंटरेस्टिंगली क्या चीज़ नहीं दिया है, यहाँ पे बहुत इंटरेस्टिंगली एन नहीं दिया है, ठीक है, एन दिया हुआ नहीं है. तो यहाँ पे एन हम लोग को कंसिडर करना है, वी हैव टू कंसिडर द एन. ओके, एंड गाइस नाउ एन को अभी क्या ले, जैसे मैंने एक वीडियो में लास्ट टाइम बताया था कि एन दैट इज द नंबर ऑफ ईयर्स. अगर मैंने 1 कंसिडर किया, 1 साल के बाद जितना SI मिलता है उतना ही अपने को CI मिलता है, ठीक है. सो आफ्टर 1 ईयर का SI एंड CI आर सेम, तो इसके लिए 1 ईयर लेके चलेगा नहीं, ठीक है. तो इसके लिए हम लोग को मिनिमम वैल्यू एन का क्या लेना पड़ेगा, मिनिमम वैल्यू लेना पड़ेगा 2 ईयर्स टू चेक द डिफरेंस बिटवीन SI एंड CI. एंड बट ऑब्वियसली आपको पता है इंक्रीमेंट होता है तो CI विल बी ऑलवेज ग्रेटर देन SI, CI will be always greater than SI, but here the number of years that we are going to assume is nothing but 2. Why 2? Because after 1 year SI and CI both will be same. The actual effect of compounding will be seen or can be seen from second year, ठीक है. इसके लिए n को हम लोग 2 लेंगे. तो हम लोग पहले जो डिफिकल्ट वाला है वो फाइंड आउट कर लेते हैं. So let's calculate the CI first of all, but to find the CI we require the A. So 1 plus R upon 100 raised to N. A will be 20,000. 1 plus 8 upon 100. N we have considered as 2, right? So I will write 2 over here. Then 20,000. 4 2s are 8, 4 25s are, so here it will be coming 2 upon 25. Okay, so we'll do the cross multiplication over here. What answer will get? 25. A is 20,000. 25 plus 2 is 27. 27 upon 25. We will simply write it 2 times. 27 upon 25. ठीक है. And now we can do this division. 25 8s are 200, right? So this many extra. You're having A is equals to 800, 27, and upon there is a 25. Okay, we can divide this thing also. 800 divided by 25, the answer will be 32. Okay, here the answer will be 32. So we can find this A by doing this final multiplication, that is 32 into 27 into 27. The answer is coming as 23,328. Okay, and we can find the CI by doing simply subtraction A minus B, that is 23,328 minus 20,000. The answer that we will get is 3,328. 3328 is your CI. Okay, we can easily find out our SI. As we all know, there is a direct formula for SI, right? So we will simply use the direct formula. So your P is 20,000, N is 2, and your R is 8 upon 100. We'll cancel the 2 zeros, and let's see how much SI we are getting. 200 into 2 is just 16. So the SI we are getting is 3200. Okay, now we both are having this CI and SI with us, so we can simply find the difference between CI. Obviously CI will be greater than SI, so this 3328 minus 3200, your answer will be 128 rupees. Okay, so this subtraction we have to do CI minus SI. So this was also very nice sum. The N was not given to us, so that's why we assume we take our N as 2, because the effect of compounding can be seen from second year and not from the first year. Okay, this was the basic thing in this particular